This is going to be a perfect itinerary for exploring Delhi's nightlife. Hello everyone, my name is Vartika Bhandari and welcome back to my channel. This video is very special. This video is about my home city, Delhi. So I write a lot of travel vlogs for my website whimsicalvibe.in, and I write about a lot of upbeat, not so popular places based on the interviews that I get from the hoteliers over there, so that you can have a perfect itinerary while you're on your vacation. So I came across this beautiful property in Chhatarpur called Lemon Green Residency, which is a residency come hotel come residency. This is the first part of the video wherein I interview Miss Sultana, who is the owner of Lemon Green Residency, and we explore what the property has to offer and what all you can do while you stay over there. Second video is about exploring Chhatarpur and what all places you should not miss if you are in and around Chhatarpur. So let's get into the video and interview Miss Sultana and check out the property.
Lemon Green Residency is in Chhatarpur, very near to Qutub Minar. The best thing about the property I felt was the sanitization procedure was very well maintained. Everybody was wearing a mask and the sanitization was very well done for all the rooms as well as for the guests that are coming in. The property has an apartment-like built which has 2 sections on each floor with 4 rooms in each section and a huge hall with a kitchen. This would be the best option you can go for if you want to have an intimate party, or if you are someone who is not from Delhi and want an apartment-like structure where you get your own personal kitchen and the rooms. So this will be a great option for you people. Also, the food was amazing. They have a multi-cuisine restaurant. The security and the sanitization was very well in place. Also, the staff was amazing.
Hello everyone, welcome to our new segment Safar Ke Baad. We are in conversation with Miss Sultana and we are going to know more about her and her property Lemon Green Residency. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hi.
I'm good. So how did you come up with the idea of opening a hotel in Delhi, and what was the idea behind keeping the name Lemon Green Residency?
First of all, I belong to a business family, my mother's side, father's side. So it since childhood, it was like, yeah, I want to do something in business. So that's how my feeling started gaining when I grew up. So then we suddenly think we'll do something in hotels. We searched on because I also travel.
Okay.
So we couldn't find good apartments in Delhi which give you the home feeling and all. So that's how we thought about it. So
Okay, that's actually very nice. I see right now travel is gaining so much of popularity, and people travel like a bunch of friends, like 15 friends, 20 friends. So they want a separate, secluded place जहाँ पर कोई और ना हो, with proper privacy and everything. So this place I really feel is very nice for that. Yeah. So, since being a traveler, I'm also a foodie. So I really look forward to what kind of cuisines the hotel that I'm staying in has to offer. So what cuisines you offer?
actually, we have all kind of cuisines like Indian and Chinese and like Arabic, like some foreigners in Oman, this kind of countries also come here to stay. So we offer all cuisines.
That's
So
actually
when
very
you
nice.
try, so
I'm sure.
I
Yeah. So
Okay, let's talk about how has COVID affected your business and how was it that travel was getting back to normal? Like
Yeah,
since
yeah.
October and September, we saw people traveling. So how has it affected your business and how have you been coping up with that?
Yeah, that's a very tough period for us also. Like we were just starting our hotel constructions and all that. At that time there was no COVID.
Okay.
But in between COVID came, so it affected a lot because there were so many problems that around. But we thought, no, we can do it. We will do. And now we just we opened 2-3 months back.
Right.
So it's going now, it's fine, but I think in the future also it will be, the time will be good after 6 months or so. It affects every field, but mostly the hotel and travel, it affects a lot.
Right.
But now it's going to slowly it will improve.
Yeah, I hope that because we really in travel industry it has really affected us and taken us a lot back from where we actually were. So talking about COVID, so since people are coming from all places to Delhi, they do visit Delhi. So what are the sanitization and safety procedures that you are taking in a hotel so that there are no COVID cases and the safety is in place?
या ये हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था मोस्टली लाइक जब भी कोई आता है फर्स्ट उसका जैसे चेकअप होता है टेम्परेचर एंड देन सैनिटाइज करना है आपका एंड वी हैव अ सैनिटाइज मशीन आल्सो
Okay.
या व्हेनेवर एनीवन कम्स वी सैनिटाइज फर्स्ट एंड देन दे कम एवरीथिंग रूम फुल अपार्टमेंट
Right.
और जब वो चले जाते हैं देन अगेन फुली हम सैनिटाइज करते एक एक चीज़ एंड इवन द किचन एरिया यूटेंसिल्स ऑल इसका हम बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं.
Right. And I think that is important because more than the safety of the guest, our safety is also very important.
And without masks, the mask is they are not allowed. Anyone is not allowed
Right.
inside.
Right. So since your property is located in Chhatarpur, so since if travelers are coming for like a day or a two, so what are the places that being a local you would suggest people have to visit?
Yeah. यहाँ पे सबसे फेमस है लाइक चंपाकली फॉर यंगस्टर्स एंड देयर इज धानमिन आल्सो देयर आर कैफेटेरियाज एंड हाई डिजाइनर्स showrooms, boutique and all, and Chhatarpur Mandir also, if anyone wants to visit the Mandir, so they are very famous Chhatarpur Mandir.
Right.
And best part is that it's very near to international airport.
Right,
Yeah.
the connectivity sorts a lot of problem, when people are visiting.
And metro also.
Right.
And Qutub Minar. So I will keep going on and on.
Yeah,
So-
there is so much to explore in Delhi. So okay guys, so whatever ma'am has told us and suggested us to visit, we are surely going to show you and we'll explore Chhatarpur more. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much ma'am for doing this.
Thank you.
So I hope you like the first part of Chhatarpur. All the details of Lemon Green Residency will be in the description bar down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!